Okay, viewers, we have another eBay unboxing coin set here. This is 35 world coppers, including several countries: Brazil, Malta, China, Sweden, Tibet, Vatican. Some of these are kind of rarish coins, 1800s, 1600s, 1700s. I paid $198.57 for this lot, but I think it's gonna really be worth it. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Oh, more bubble wrap, lovely. Well, I packaged these pretty nicely. We have a lot of really old coins in this. Really think it's worth what we paid for it. At least I hope it is. Hopefully they're not fakes. Oh, that's a really nice coin. This is really a nice job of putting them all in sleeves for me. Okay, after much cutting with a scalpel, okay. Okay, here's all the coins laid out in alphabetic order. We have Australia, Austria, Netherlands, Belgium, Brazil, 2 Chinas, Denmark, France, Greece, Germany, Hungary, India, Kingdom of 2 Sicilies, etc. I'll show you each of these coins individually here. Now this one here really confused me, since it was a obviously German coin with a German eagle motif on it. But when you flip it over, it has what looks like Arabic script on it. And what did the Germans ever own as a colony in the Middle East? Well, it turns out this is German East Africa. A 1 pesa from 1892. And the other one is, of course, a Greek 10 lepta coin from 1878. So overall, a really nice collection. I'm really impressed with this one, even though I did pay almost $200 for it. I'll throw up what the totals for each of them are, but overall the total value is $1,378 for all of these, so that's quite a good investment. As I always say, please like and subscribe, and also comment. Tell me what you like about this video, tell me what you don't like, and help so I can make more videos. So please comment below. And thank you for watching. Good night, viewers.